How's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can buy Bitcoin with Zengo, and this is actually very simple. At first, head over to Zengo and you can see that there are multiple ways how you can buy it. You can see over in tokens, we see Bitcoin. At the left side in menu, we see buy. At the top right, you see buy. Anyways, just click on wherever you want to. We're going to click on buy over here and then we're going to select Bitcoin. If you don't see Bitcoin over here, then you can simply just search for, Bitcoin and then click on Bitcoin. And now it's unfortunately not showing up for me because I have to download it. But once you select it, it's going to ask you what is the amount you want to buy and how much money you want to spend for it, things like that. And once you've done all that, Bitcoin would be bought, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.